My second favorite book of all time. What's my first favorite book? The Bible.
The Bible.
I love the Bible.
It is the greatest book of all time, the Bible.
The Bible.
The Bible.
The Bible certainly is one of, if not, I mean, it is the book. It is the thing.
First of all, as you know, I'm Protestant. I'm Presbyterian. Most people don't know that. They have no idea. And I'm proud of it.
I'm wondering what one or two of your most favored Bible verses are and why.
I wouldn't want to get into it because to me that's very personal. You know, when I talk about the Bible, it's very personal, so I don't want to get into verses. I don't want to get into...
There's no verse that means a lot to you that you think about or cite?
The Bible means a lot to me, but I don't want to get into specifics. If I do something wrong, I think I just try and make it right. I don't bring God into that picture. I don't.
I think religion is a wonderful thing. I think my religion is a wonderful religion.
Are you an Old Testament guy or a New Testament guy?
Probably equal.
I went to Sunday school.
I'm Protestant, but I have great respect for the Pope.
I get sent Bibles by a lot of people.
Where are all those Bibles anyhow now?
Well, actually, we keep them in a certain place, a very, very nice place. There's no way I would ever do anything to do negative to a Bible.
When I take, when we go in church and when I drink my little wine, which is about the only wine I drink, and have my little cracker, I guess that's a form of asking for forgiveness, and I do that as often as possible because I feel cleansed. If I run and I win, I will be the greatest representative of the Christians that they've had in a long time.